Bank overdraft fees are a liability on a monthly budget. The best solution to eliminate these charges is to avoid giving banks a chance to charge you with overdraft fee in the first place.
Save yourself from overdraft charges by finding out if your bank offers a blocking service that blocks all future transactions when your account balance goes below $0. If your bank does not offer this blocking service, then start finding out about banks that do. Estimate your budget for weekly expenditures and take out appropriate amount of cash that will last you for the entire week. This allows you to keep a track on your spending and eliminates the chances of further overdraft fee charges. If this is still a struggle, then apply for a line of credit called the overdraft protection. If your bank charges you overdraft fees even when you have overdraft protection, then find out about banks which don't. A good way of comparing banks is by comparing bank tariffs and analyzing which bank is costing you the least on a long run. Implementing these actions will allow you to choose the best available service and maximize usage of your money towards personal spending.